Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to insert tables in Microsoft Word. Let's start. Open your Microsoft Word now or open the existing one where you want to insert the table. Next step is to insert the table. Now go to Insert tab. Click on the table. You will be presented with a grid-like interface. Choose the number of rows and columns you want for your table. Simply move your cursor over the grid, and as you do that, you'll see a highlighted box. Click to select the number of rows and columns you need. Now we have our table inserted into our document. Now you can start typing in the cells to add a content. To adjust the size of the table, hover your cursor over the edges of the table until you see a double-headed arrow. Click and drag to resize the table. If you need to add more rows or columns to your table, right-click anywhere inside the table and from the context menu, choose Insert, then select Rows Above or Rows Below to add rows. To customize the table, such as changing the color, border style, or shading, select the table and navigate to the Design or Table Design tab on the top menu. Here, you'll find various styles to choose from. Tables are a great way to organize and present information neatly. Congratulations, you've learned how to insert and customize tables in Microsoft Word. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Once again, thank you for watching how to insert tables in Microsoft Word. I'll see you on my next video.